Hello guys, today we are going to talk about this little module amplifier which is PAM8403. It is a very small and lightweight amplifier which can output up to 6 watt. So without further ado, let's start the video. It is a small audio amplifier which can run over 5 volt DC, but it can run as low as 2.5 volt DC. There are two channels for audio, right and left. These three pins are for audio jack and these are for power supply. Now I am going to connect it with my power supply and show you how it's work. As you guys are seeing this, there is 4.97 volts coming from my supply. If you want to know how I made this mini voltmeter, you can check out the video in the card above. As you guys are seeing this, I have connected power wires to the module. Now I am going to connect this audio cable to the module. As you guys are seeing this, I have also connected audio wires to the module. The black one is the neutral, the red one is the right channel, and the green one is the left channel. So guys, this is a speaker. I have salvaged it from my old TV. It is 8 ohm 3 watts. I am going to connect it with this module. Now I am going to show you the audio power of this module by playing this song. It is Laszlo Supernova. I hope you guys are listening to this song. It is very clear. As you guys listen to that, it is working perfectly even with one speaker. So thank you for watching my video. As in always, subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it please.